how to turn off your active online status on Instagram so other people can't see when you're currently active or when you were recently active. First, open Instagram and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Activity. Next, scroll down to the How Others Can Interact with You section and tap Messages and Story Replies. Now, look for the Show Activity Status option and tap on it. Here, you'll see the Show Activity Status toggle. Simply turn this option off. Once disabled, other Instagram users won't be able to see your active status or when you were last active. Keep in mind that when you turn off your own activity status, you also won't be able to see the activity status of other Instagram accounts. And that's it. You've successfully turned off your active online status on Instagram. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Instagram tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.